Good morning, students. Today we will study class 4th, chapter number 5th, Introduction to MS PowerPoint, and the topics are inserting a picture from clipart, working with text, and modifying font. Okay, these all three topics we will discuss. First one is inserting a picture from clipart. If you want to insert a picture from clipart, then how you will insert. After that, working with text, then modifying font. First of all, we will discuss inserting a picture from clipart. So first of all, you have to open your PowerPoint, click on all programs, Microsoft Office. After that, your Microsoft PowerPoint. This is your PowerPoint has been open here. You can see the PowerPoint has been open here. How? First of all, you have to click on insert tab. You have to click on insert tab. After that, when after clicking on insert tab, you have to click on clip art in the image group. Here it is given clip art. Click here, click clip art on image group. The clip art task pane opens on the right. This is your task pane has been open here. Now in the search for text box, type a name or category to locate the clip art. If you want to search any type, you can search from here. Suppose that if I am searching a flowers, flowers, flowers. Okay, all media file types has been selected. See, these all are flowers. You can see the flowers has been appear here. After that, a list of picture appear in the task pane. Now the picture has been appeared in your task pane. After that, select the picture of your choice by clicking on it. The clip art appears on the slide. Suppose if you have selecting this picture, the clip art has been selected. Okay, you can remove picture from one place to another like this, or you can resize also your picture. If you want to resize, then you can also resize your picture by using the mouse. Okay, if you want to resize, you can resize like this your picture. Your clip art has been added. After that, what is our next topic? Our next topic is working with text. Working with text in a PowerPoint presentation, text can be edited or formatted very similar to the way it is done in MS Word. The first step to edit or format text as a slide is selecting the text. To select text, place the cursor next to the text and drag the mouse over it. A highlighted box will appear over the selected text. If you want to select it, if you are working with the text, suppose that if you have written anything here you have written in your text computer, this you have selected. If you want to delete this, or you can't, first of all you have to select this by using your mouse. Okay, by using your mouse or by a shortcut key. What you have to do, shift plus left arrow you have to use. Shift plus left arrow when you will use, press shift button. After that, your left arrow, this one has been selected, then press backspace. Your computer which you have written has been deleted. And what is our next topic is modifying a font. If you want to modify a font, then what you have to do, to change the font, its size, style, color or case, use the different buttons in the font group of the home tab. Where is your home tab? This is your file tab, this is your home tab, and you can see the font has been given to you. The font has been given to you. This is your select a font from the list to change. If you want to change any type of language, you can select by clicking here, this one, this much arrow. You have to select this. Okay, you have to select a language from here, whatever language you want to select. After that, what you have to do, select a language from here. This is the way you can select a language. After that, this one, if you want to select any language, you can also change the font space. This one, see the languages are given here. If I am selecting this, write anything. Okay, you can see the writing has been changed here, the text has been changed. After that, what is click to make the selected text bold. Suppose that I have selected here computer. Computer has been selected. If you want to make the text bold, what you have to do, first of all select this by using mouse, then click here B1. Okay, B, or you can press Control plus B. Control B, it has been bold. If you want to do an italic, click to make the selected text italic, click here this one, the text has been italic. If you want to make underline here, you have to click here. Okay, the shortcut keys of bold are Control B, shortcut key of italic Control I, shortcut key of underline Control U. After that, if you want to click to this is to increase your size. Okay, and this is used to decrease the size of your written text in which the text has been written. See that size has been changed here. If you want to change, the size will be changed. After that, click and select a color to change the color text. If you want to select if you want to change color, or you can use directly key F1. Okay, when you press F1, the color will be appear in front of you, or you can select any color, yellow, red, whatever color you want to select, you can select from here. Okay, suppose that I have selected the blue color. See, the text has been blue here. After that, control this one S, click to add a shadow to the text. This will, if you click on it, first of all select the text, after that click on S. This will show you the shadow of the color. Okay, this will show the shadow. After that, modifying font, you have to in this chapter you have to read these 3 topics which we have discussed today. After that, in our next class we will discuss more. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.